You know this feeling. You lie in bed. Your eyes are closed, but your mind is awake. Your thoughts keep running, your heart feels restless. Your body feels tired, but your sleep will not come. For many seniors, sleep becomes a battle they lose night after night. But what if I told you? The secret to deep sleep isn't in sleeping pills, it isn't in expensive supplements. It's in a warm, gentle, natural drink your body recognizes instantly. Because here's the truth. After the age of 60, your body produces less melatonin and less serotonin, the two hormones responsible for calmness and deep sleep. That's why seniors toss and turn, wake up often, sleep lightly, wake up tired, lose focus during the day. But here's the good news. There is a simple way to help your body restore these hormones naturally. A night drink that has helped seniors across the world sleep more deeply and wake up refreshed. Let's talk about the golden sleep drink. To make it, you need 1 cup warm milk or warm almond milk, 2 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon honey, a pinch of nutmeg. And here's why each ingredient matters. Turmeric reduces inflammation and calms the nervous system. Honey helps your brain release serotonin. Nutmeg has natural sleep-inducing properties. Warm milk boosts melatonin and relaxation. When you sip this drink slowly, something magical happens. Your muscles relax. Your heartbeat slows. Your mind gets quieter. Your body enters pre-sleep mode. And here's the secret seniors don't know. If you give your body calming ingredients before sleep, your sleep becomes deeper and longer. But don't stop there. Combine the drink with this 60-second routine. Sit comfortably. Hands on your belly, breathe slowly, inhale 4 seconds, exhale 8 seconds. This simple pattern tells your brain, it's time to sleep. Imagine doing this every night. You fall asleep faster. You stay asleep longer. You wake up with energy. Your fog lifts, your mood improves. Your heart feels calm. This is not a miracle, this is nature. This is your body returning to balance. So tonight, take a moment for yourself. Prepare your warm golden drink. Sip slowly, breathe deeply. Let your body drift into the sleep it deserves. You've carried stress your whole life. Now it's time to rest.